Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my top leave-in conditioners for 2023. Keep on watching. So I have three categories for leave-in conditioners. First up are the spray leave-in conditioners. And originally, I was not a big fan of spray leave-in conditioners, but these two definitely have my heart. So first is Thirsty Curls Leave-In Curl Revitalizer with coconut milk, nettle, and chamomile. This is from Uncle Funky's daughter. And then we have Midnight Train, which is a leave-in conditioner for naturally chemically treated or heat style hair. Absolutely love how this one smells. Both of these are amazing spray leave-in conditioners. If you haven't tried these yet, you definitely want to try them out. I will leave my discount code on the screen as well as in the description box where you can purchase your Uncle Funky's Daughters products. But I definitely recommend these two spray leave-in conditioners. Next up are two leave-in conditioners that are very different from your normal leave-in conditioner. First is the Azure Beauty Melon Berry Hair Milk. This leave-in conditioner is a cream to spray leave-in conditioner. And next we have the Camille Rose Rosemary Oil Strengthening Leave-In Conditioner. And this is like a gel consistency leave-in conditioner, which I absolutely love. So first, the Adwoa Beauty one. Again, this is a spray to cream. So you spray it, and then it comes out this creamy consistency, and it smells divine. And then the Camille Rose Rosemary Oil Leave-In Conditioner. It has like a gel, and it's pretty thick. And I love that minty smell. So these are definitely two very different, unique leave-in conditioners that you definitely want to add to your stash. Next up are my cream leave-in conditioners. So we have the Miche Beauty Lavish Leave-In Conditioner. We have the TreLuxe Untie the Knot Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner. The Pattern Beauty Leave-In Conditioner. And then the Azure Beauty Blue Tansy Leave-In Conditioner Styler. So we're gonna start with the Azure Beauty Leave-In Conditioner Styler. So with my leave-in conditioners, I have low porosity hair, so I love to add my leave-in in the shower while my hair is soaking wet. Let that steam get in there, and I let my leave-in conditioner sit for 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the time that I have before I start styling. So this Blue Tansy leave-in conditioner and styler from Azure Beauty can definitely be used as a one and done styler, meaning this is your leave-in, this is your styler, all you need wrapped up in one. So I'll show you the consistency of this one. So she's very creamy and moisturizing. Can't really put my hand on the scent, but I absolutely love this leave-in conditioner. So if you haven't tried it, definitely want to add it to your list. Next is the Pattern Beauty leave-in conditioner. And I am at the end of this conditioner, and I'm so sad because this conditioner is so bomb. I do have a backup. It's in the mini travel size. So I definitely am going to have to re-up on this. This stays in my shower, so I use this on a regular basis. So she is also nice and creamy. As you can see, it's going right into my skin, just like it melts into my curls. And it smells like the rest of the Pattern Beauty products. It has like a floral, perfumey type scent. Not overpowering or overwhelming, but it does have like a floral, perfumey type scent. But again, 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Next is the TreLuxe Untie the Knot Leave-In Conditioner. And this one is a new one to me. I've been using it for about a year now, and this gem is amazing. This is my second bottle of this. So moisturizing, gets your curls popping. Definitely a great leave-in conditioner. You definitely want to have this in your stash. And the smell, it's like cinnamon heaven. So this is another one that melts right into your strands. Very moisturizing. And it smells like cinnamon apples. And last but not least, Miche Beauty, the Lavish Leave-In Conditioner. If you have not tried Miche Beauty products, you are late to the game, sis or bruh. You definitely want to check them out. This is the old packaging. They have updated their packaging, but I absolutely love this leave-in conditioner. Again, another nice moisturizing leave-in conditioner. So quick recap of the leave-in conditioners that you definitely want to add to your list. 2 spray leave-ins, Thirsty Curl Midnight Train from Uncle Funky's Daughter, the Azure Beauty Melon Berry Hair Milk, and the Camille Rose Rosemary Strengthening Leave-In Conditioner, the Azure Beauty Blue Tansy Leave-In Conditioner, and the Pattern Beauty Leave-In Conditioner. And last but not least, the TreLuxe Untie the Knot Leave-In Conditioner and Miche Beauty Lavish Leave-In Conditioner. Definitely want to add these leave-in conditioners to your list. Let me know in the comment section below if you've tried these leave-in conditioners, if there's ones that you want to try. Let's chat it up in the comments. Thanks so much for watching this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.